On today's Try to Finish Something, I'm going to submit my Mandalorian for 501st approval. May the 4th be with you. What better way to celebrate than by making a 7-year-old's dream of being recognized by the Star Wars community finally come true. But I can't wear this shirt. It seems a little inappropriate. Hold on, let me change. There you go. So let's start with this. Who is the 501st and why should you care? And that's a valid question. I'm already a member of a costuming club called Imperial Outlanders, and they're an all-inclusive group that takes on everybody, regardless of your skill level, whether or not your Star Wars costume is canon or not. They don't care about the detail, but the 501st, they've been criticized for being tyrannical about their attention to detail. And you've been watching my channel, right? You've seen me take a blaster that I said was done, it was complete. And then I go and sand a bunch of parts off and replace things because I didn't think it was accurate enough. This club, the 501st, has me written all over it. They are the only club that is officially recognized by Lucasfilms. Huh? Still nothing? How about when you are a part of the 501st, you get an official TK number, and then you can represent Star Wars at movie premieres, at video game releases, and more. Still nothing? How about charity work? Now, the 501st does endless amounts of charity work. They are representing real Star Wars characters showing up at hospitals to put smiles on sick kids' faces. Coming around, aren't you? I actually wrote those 3 things down on my fingers so that I didn't forget them. But that kind of attention to detail to make it look like you just walked off the set of a movie or a TV show is what I want for my Mandalorian costume. It's like going to the Nerd Olympics and winning gold. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to enter the Nerd Olympics on today's Try to Finish Something. While I do a quick check of my inventory to make sure I have everything, I'll throw out one more what does the 501st mean. It means that if Jon Favreau is looking for extras while filming a scene in The Mandalorian, he could pay the costuming department to make a bunch of troopers or just call up the local 501st garrison and have the 501st show up as extras. How flippin' cool is that? 501st right there on the screen. Speaking of cool, a big thank you to the SYFY channel for featuring Try to Finish Something on their How to Ring in the 4th article. I'll put a link in the description down below, but a huge thank you for the publicity and really appreciate it. Of course, credit to the Disney Mandalorian for these shots and photo credit to slashfilms.com. But for today, I am no expert on applying for 501st approval. We will all find out together if what I did was wrong. Looks like I've got everything. But before I suit up today and apply, I did change a few things to my Mando. I know I said I was done, and then I'm upgrading things. Daniel Signs, link in the description down below, is the leather artist, craftsman, I have absolutely no idea what to call him, stud, who did my leatherwork. It is one of the few things that I did not make on this cosplay. He saw my other video where I made it onto TV, and he sent me some upgraded parts that I would love to show off. First, a new holster that has the appropriate ridge here. The old one didn't have that. And this new calf ammo holder thing with the 2-tone leather. My other one had 2 tones, but I did paint washes to get that variance on my old one. As you saw, I already pulled the old calf leather off. Previously, I had glued it on with barge cement, not for strength or for any other reason other than just to hold that leather in place while I was walking around. I will do the same with this one. Apply barge and wait for it to dry. Insert the cartridges. Oh my God, that looks amazing, Daniel. The light reflecting off the charges makes me feel like I'm in a J.J. Abrams film. Okay, the holster. I have to weather this. I'm going to use some craft paints and I want to scratch it up. Look away, Daniel. Everything seems to be ready to now suit up. I needed help from my camera woman daughter. This is not easy to get into by yourself. Submission photo time. I have no idea why I'm so nervous about this. I've read that the background is supposed to be simple and not distracting. All right, so I'm going to start front facing. Now turn right. Now left. Now left with arms up. And right arms up. Then back. Now they want one with the helmet off. And some action shots. And we'll see what happens. Now taking everything off and looking for the first time at all of the photos. I don't have high hopes. This shot was originally going to capture the excitement of me liking all of these photos that I was looking at. I don't want to say too much and spoil it here, but I see things that I am not happy with, and I assume my level of detail will probably be their level of detail as well, and I'll just say I'm a bit disappointed, but I guess in a good way. I am not wiping away a tear. It was just an itch. I think. I've said it before. My goal is to look like the Mandalorian came right off the set. And to me, it just doesn't. I'm a stickler for detail. I'm sorry, it's kind of a bummer to end on, but submission to the 501st is finished. I will send these off and we'll see what happens. We'll see what they say. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's free. It just pops up in your suggested videos. Come on. Nothing like watching a grown man almost cry because he's disappointed in the way he looks when he's playing dress up. If you don't like it, please just keep it to yourself, and we'll see you next time as we try to finish something.